that's how I'm supposed to get in my garage. This is my backyard. It's a work in progress. But look at that, that's probably a 5-foot snowdrift up to my window there. My back hurts. Look at my neighbor.